How to hide all posts from Facebook timeline. So if you want to hide all posts from your Facebook timeline, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings, gear shaped icon, which is on the upper right. Once you're on the settings, you just need to simply scroll down and go with an option of activity log. Tap on activity log, and here you need to go with your Facebook activity, and then scroll down, and here you need to go with the post. Tap on post. Once you tap on it, now you need to go with the first option, which is your post, photos and videos. Now here you will have all of your posts, right? So you just need to simply select all of your posts and go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots icon, and then go with change audience. And from here again tap on change audience, and now you need to choose only me. Once you've chosen only me, then all of your posts on your Facebook timeline will be hidden. So tap on change, and that's it. That's how you can hide all of your posts from your Facebook timeline. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.